So you're thinking you need a new camera to hit 10K a month with your business. Well, in September, we did 10K with ours, and I didn't upgrade a single thing in my bag. Let me show you how. I had this whole camera bag, and I was still struggling to make like 3K a month. Turns out it's not the problem of what's in here, it's what's up here. Let me explain. Honestly, I had really crappy systems and I wasn't prioritizing the most important things on a daily basis. I was focused on buying new things for my setup and refining those nitty-gritty things of the camera settings, and I was too busy with all of that and I wasn't looking for new clients. Actually, correction, if you had talked to me back then, I would have said that I was looking for new clients, but really, in fact, I wasn't doing the things that were needed to bring on new clients. Your future clients that are already out there, they're not gonna care how your setup looks and how crazy professional you look. Yes, it plays a role to a degree, but honestly, at the end of the day, all they care for is the results that you're gonna get them. Because why do I always see online people even doing handheld shoots with cameras like these, like an A6400, and they're doing already 20K a month, but people that are dropping insane money on like $2,000 G Master lenses aren't even doing 8. Because let me highlight this, it's not the gear that you have, it's the results you're providing for your clients. No, let's actually break this down. So tell me, what would do better, an ad running of a testimonial of a client that got great results, or an ad stating that you have the most professional gear and the best lenses? Run this ad for the same amount of money to the same demographic, and every single day the testimonial ad will win, 100% guaranteed. But I'm already hearing it, so don't get me wrong, upgrading your gear is fine, but it shouldn't be your priority. If you ever need to upgrade some gear, like a small thing, like getting a different sized mic, like a smaller one like I did with this, absolutely, you need something that's more, convenient for the client, so it's not a big Rode mic. If you want to get like a smaller one for them, that's totally fine. Stuff like that is okay. But I'm not saying to obsess over the lens you have and the camera body that you have. This right here, just this A6400 could get you to 10K a month, 100%. It all boils down to just how you position yourself and what kind of results you're getting through your videos. Let me tell you what I mean so you wouldn't think I'm crazy. So we did ads for a tire shop, going full professional, not even on an A6400. We did it on an A7R3 with the full gimbal. That's what the camera's on right now that I'm filming with. We had the full setup going. And then we switched it up a bit and we just took the phone out and we did an ad straight on the phone. The phone ad did literally $60 on ads. It got us 60 messages back. The ad that we ran with the fully production camera, it got like half that. Listen, I didn't even put this on like a phone gimbal or anything. I actually turned on selfie mode and I literally was just talking like a client testimonial, and I was literally just talking to the camera, made a simple ad, even edited in like CapCut, and that one did insanely well. So for being honest, that was a huge mindset shift to me. I was always the guy also obsessing over, production, quality, edits, all that junk. But after we launched that ad and it did super well, it also just showed me that clients won't care about all the cool edits and all the gear that you're using if it's not making money back for them. Make money back for them, provide them leads, get them more money into their pocket. That's all they really care for. Look, honestly, you wouldn't care either if I filmed this even on a Loom or on my phone and it helped you get to 10K a month. You wouldn't care if it was an insane production with crazy light setup and LEDs all over the place, the best look, the most production value. If it didn't get you any results, you could care less and you wouldn't buy that information any day. But if I just recorded on a simple phone, but it helped you so much and you started earning more back, that's all you care about too. So reverse engineer it and think from the client's perspective. What would they want and what are they willing to pay money for? And I promise you, you get results for one client. That one client can snowball you into an entire full-blown business. One good case study or testimonial is worth so much more than ads or any fancy lens, any gimbal. You could get a nice testimonial off even shooting handheld, and that could get you so far. And as your business will progress, definitely upgrade your stuff. Don't always shoot handheld, still the way you present yourself definitely matters, and it's not a problem to upgrade stuff that is convenient for us as videographers and filmmakers. So you can definitely upgrade it. Just prioritize getting the money in the bank first before getting the stuff. And before I finished off this video, I wanted to give you one last tip. So whatever you're thinking to buy next or whatever gear that you really think you need, Use that money, break it up, and either spend it on ads or networking events or walking into businesses and using that money on gas money that you could go and meet more people and more businesses. That will truly in turn provide a bigger return on investment than any gear could provide. If you're getting connections built, if you're going places and people are getting to know you and they see your face all over ads, that's way more important than what you're shooting on. And also what I would recommend is starting off with just a good body like this, A64, A6600, and a wide angle lens. You can go so far with just a wide angle lens, a decent body, and a mic. If someone genuinely made me choose to keep 3 things out of my entire bag, I would choose to keep the body, a wide angle lens, and the mic, because I truly think you can get so far on just that. A gimbal's great, but even without a gimbal, you can get so far. So what, with that investment, that's gonna be like $1,000, $1,500. Like, that's such a low barrier to entry. So stop making excuses, use what you've got already, and go get more clients and watch your income grow. If you wanna know the best way that I recommend to get clients, make sure to check out this next video because I fully break it down there. But as always, build with purpose, move with faith, and I'll see y'all in the next one.